Okay, we're going to do a simple job here right now. I know y'all don't really like the simple jobs, but we're going to do one anyway. See this little bracelet here? We're going to add a safety chain to it, which is pretty simple. Basic little solder job, couple little jump rings, wham bam, thank you ma'am, we're done. So, first thing we do is we find us a couple little jump rings right there. Easy, easy greasy. There's a couple of them. Now I'll take my brush and clean off my little soldering pad here. I don't like no dirt on it. Keep it nice and clean as best I can. Kind of hard to. Oh, it's dust in this place. So, this is pretty simple little job here. We're just taking, on this same house got little holes in the side of it. We just find us a little spot to loop one of these through. Okay. We said it was going to be easy. Might be a little harder than easy, but it's still going to be easy. I'm going to take what's called a little fisher burr, and I'm going to make these little holes on the side of this bracelet a little bigger with that little fisher burr. That fisher burr's got little cuts on the side, it grooves on the side of it, where it's just kind of made to go in a little area there to make something a little bigger. So I'm going to do that to 2 spots. Make it a little easier to put that jump ring through it. Now we grab our little jump ring here. And run it through the little hole. Then I'll grab my safety chain here. Turn that little ring around. Alright. Alright, now, got that little ring attached on that side. Now, safety chains, usually you want them 2.5 to 3 inches long. So, on this one, I'm going to make it about that long, which is about 2.5 inches long. So, cut off the excess. Because you don't want it hanging down real far, but you want it opened up enough where the person can take it on and off their wrist. So I'm going to loop that through just like that. I'm going to come over here and put it through the hole I had on this side. See, I run it through that little hole, spin that little jump ring around like that. Now, normally I would laser that, but people like watching the torch. Most people can't afford no $20,000 laser, 25, 30,000, whatever. So I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to put that just like that. And I'm going to solder that little ring right there where the little split is. We're going to use some 14 karat yellow gold solder, which you can usually get at any jewelry supply house. Which we use Stollers. And you just need a very little piece of solder to do this with. Alright, my flame of my torch is going to be about an inch long. Go over here and we get some of that flux, batter and self-pickling flux, and we'll touch that little spot there where we're getting ready to solder on that little jump ring. I don't know if you can see that. I might have to change this camera down a little bit so you can get a good view of it, what I'm getting ready to do here. There you go. Alright. Got my solder. There's my jump ring. And voila. Well, I'll show you the next one. The hardest part is just getting a hold of it with the tweezers. Alright. Get the little dirt off of an end of our torch there. Now I'm ready to solder it. I'll solder that little split right there and you can't even see it. And voila, there it is. That little jump ring, we soldered it that quick, in a flash. This is Randy Hubbard with the JewelryRepairShop.com, located in Louisville, Kentucky, with Staples Jewelers at StaplesJewelry.com. Thank you for watching my video on how to add a safety chain to a tennis bracelet.